know him as a master of disguise, but his teacher knows him as buffoon. Dana Carvey is
I'm Prince Lalejama.
It is time to test them.
Oh, it's not a problem.
The master of disguise.
Am I not turtly enough for the Turtle Club? Turtle, turtle.
Pretty peachy. Coming soon to theaters.
There's nothing in this world I like more than the sound of the trumpet of the Swan.
Based on the book by E.B. White, the author of Stuart Little, and from the co-director of The Fox and the Hound and The King and I, comes an all-new animated classic. A son. They named him Louis, after my father, Louis, and his father, Louis. My son is destined to be the greatest of all the trumpeters. There was just one problem.
He can't talk.
If you can't talk, you can't play.
This child cannot be ours. Someone must have switched the eggs.
But for every challenge,
I must find my son a voice.
there is a solution.
May the hills echo with your new voice.
And now, a swan named Louis is about to become a star.
Put your hands together for Louis, the Trumpet Swan.
You did it, Louis!
Go, Louis!
TriStar Pictures invites you to share all the fun and join Jason Alexander, Reese Witherspoon, Mary Steenburgen, Seth Green, with Carol Burnett and Joe Mantegna, and with music performed by Little Richard, in a classic animated adventure for the whole family, about the special voice inside all of us.
I didn't come out.
Based on the book by E.B. White, the author of Stuart Little, it's one of the most beloved stories of all time. Trumpet of the Swan.
Get that on the internet.
This season, the biggest name in adventure is...
Watch out!
Little.
Stuart! No! Coming through. It just looks so small out there.
What? I'm fine.
So lacking in bigness. Do I get an assist?
Stuart Little 2.
This is now officially a litter box. Hey, I can see my house from here.
Coming soon to home video. From Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment.
Maggie and the Ferocious beast in Nowhere Land. To Nowhere Land. Come along if you can.
She's cool. She's smart. She totally saves the day. And now she's coming to your home. Maggie and the Ferocious Beast. All your favorite episodes in one fantastic video collection. Discover Maggie's adventures with her favorite friends, the not-so-ferocious Beast, and Hamilton Hawks, their hilarious sidekick. Along the way, you'll learn about friendship and the power of love on their journey through the imaginary world of Nowhere Land. So gather your family and experience the magic together. They'll knock your spots off. Maggie and the Ferocious Beast. From Jim Henson Home Entertainment. Every tadpole has a tale. Every frog has a first adventure. Come home to the swamp where it all began.
Discover a Kermit you never knew as he discovers a new world for the very first time on the adventure that changed his life and ours forever. Kermit's Swamp Years.
It's my true story, warts and all.
Available only on VHS and DVD, summer 2002.
Every kid has a secret they need kept. And for a small fee, one girl will listen.
Can I count on you? Your secret's safe with me.
So, like, how does somebody become a professional secret keeper?
I've never spoiled a secret in my entire life, so I knew it was marketable to go. Hello, everybody. Hi.
But Emily's learning that keeping secrets
I like to pretend that I'm into something.
Are you the violin player? Her name is Emily. Didn't I see you at the mall?
is one tough business.
And you better not tell on me.
Now her social life is a mess.
Cheers.
Her love life's getting complicated.
You like her, don't you?
I was just going into practice.
Don't you have to take a break once in a while?
Why was this piece almost mastered 2 weeks ago? And suddenly...
I just have a lot on my mind.
And her world is out of control.
Because you guys haven't realized I have a life.
Samuel Goldwyn Films presents
Do you think I can pass for 14 in this outfit?
the story of a girl
Man, she's so pretty.
who found out that little secrets
10 years this chair will be mine.
can sometimes be big trouble.
If you want to be close to someone, you can't keep secrets from them. You think it's a Tyrannosaurus. Are you high?
Little secrets.
Life is complicated when you look like Claudia Schiffer.
Ready, everybody?
Catch a warm summer breeze and glide over Tippy Toppy Peak. There you'll discover the charming little storybook land of Terrytown, home to JJ the Jet Plane. Terrytown is a fantasy world where the gentle lessons of life are learned with each and every visit. So look for JJ the Jet Plane, coming soon on video and DVD.
Oh, JJ, you made it back just in time.
JJ's adventures begin at Terrytown Airport, where you'll meet all of his wonderful friends, like Big Jake, Old Oscar, Savannah, Snuffy the Skyrider, Herky the Helicopter, and Revin Evan the fire truck who's always raring to go.
I'm Revan, I'm Evan, I'm Revan, Revan, Evan.
And the whole gang at Terrytown Airport is under the watchful care of Brenda Blue, the airplane mechanic at Easy Airlines. This award-winning series delights parents and takes kids to a brand new world of fantasy and make-believe, teaching them to discover science and nature. And with each new episode, they'll learn important lessons and good values in a fun, imaginative way. So let your imagination take flight with JJ the Jet Plane. Coming soon on video and DVD from Columbia TriStar Home Entertainment.
Oh, yeah!
Now available on home video.
Dragon Tales. Buy it now on video.
Here I come!
Bring home your child's favorite characters from
Dragonland! I wish with all my heart to fly with dragons in a land apart.
fun, magical adventures filled with music and wonder. Buy them now on video or DVD.
Something smells good on video.
Oh, hi!
He's very friendly.
You're just in time. It's so good to see you. Come on in.
He's very talented.
I sure do love to cha-cha-cha.
He's Bear in the Big Blue House. Join Bear and his friends Pip and Pop, Ojo, Tunner, Trilo, and Luna.
On the moon.
And make learning a treat. From Jim Henson Television, Bear in the Big Blue House. He's what's fun on video.
He's big. He's back. He's the Mac Daddy of them all.
Hey, get up there.
Now he's on DVD for the first time.
You get your Mac on DVD.
The Bernie Mac Show Season 1. Own it today.
Yeah.
And now, your feature presentation, not mine.
Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines, lifting and pulling and flying so high, building up to the sky. You could watch them all day and never know why they're mighty machines. Hear them roar, watch them soar, sit right down and see. There are stories to enjoy for every girl and boy. Mighty machines, big and mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines, working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines.